Tip number 7. Oh my god, I'm so freaking retarded. But I don't care. Hello beautiful people, how are y'all doing today? I joke. What's up guys, what's poppin', what's not stop? Welcome back to my motherfucking channel, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below. That's the red subscribe button, guys. Hit it down below, turn on your post notification, so every time I post a video, guys, it'll be the first to get notified, and you can come watch my video first and come comment say first. So spam up my subscribe button right now. Tell a friend to come subscribe to me right now, and tell your auntie and your uncle and our boyfriend to come subscribe to me right now. So as I know about the title and the thumbnail, guys, me I go giving us some tips and some tricks how to get 100 subscribers, because everybody been on my DM, been on my posts and stuff like that to ask, oh, my grow so fast, what then can do forget 100 subscribers, what then can do forget 1,000 subscribers. So this one me I got telling you basically can get 100 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers, guys, in a week if you do everything what I say, guys. So let's get into the video. But before we get into the video, guys, I want to go over to Cole and Asha. Them links gonna be down in the description, guys. Subscribe to them YouTube channel. Tell them say hashtag Team Shawna sending it. So go over there, spam up on them latest video and tell them say hashtag Team Shawna sending it, guys. So go. Them page gonna be right here, and the links gonna be down in the description. Also go over to Foodie and Plumbing Main Danger, guys. Subscribe to them YouTube channel. Tell them say hashtag Team Shawna sending it. So just go over to the 2 pages, them guys, them links gonna be down below. Like I said before, tell them say I'm me sending it, guys. So do that for me real quick. Come back, come finish watch the video. So me I go wait till them come back, okay? Meanwhile, I make a go and drink some water because my heart, I'm thirsty. Do that already? Good. I know that I'm gonna do it. I know that I'm gonna do it. Anyways, I know this man have on a hat in the house. That's because today is National Don't Come Here Day. I don't know. Me invent that one day. National Don't Come Here Day today. So every Monday gonna be National Don't Come Here Day. So yeah, I joke. I just wash my ear, guys. I'm not putting no gel or nothing in there, so that's why I'm put on the hat. I don't want to see how my head looks, so I'm gonna show you. See there. Mad days. I'm gonna put on about my because I can't tell the embarrassment. Anyways, I know that's not really come here for, but I want to talk to you in a long time. Make me up back and forth with my foolishness. Anyways, guys, so I write down the tips them on this. And if you hear any noise in the background, Angel in the bathroom, I'll be in. She about for an hour right now. But anyways, guys, so how to gain 100 to 1,000 subscribers in a week. First thing first, tip number 1, you have to promote your YouTube channel, guys, on all of your social media, whether Facebook, Snapchat, WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, any social media, they can promote it. Tell a friend to come subscribe to you, put up your YouTube links and all them something, guys. When you promote your thing, it make it kind of easier, because people out there will follow you up on all different social media don't know say you're a YouTuber. And if you don't promote it, you don't tell them now gonna know. So you just promote it on that, and you will gain at least a couple subscribers right there. So the next tip is you can do sub for sub, subscribe for subscribe, but you cannot do this on YouTube, guys, because that's against YouTube policy. Okay, me never do that before, but me see people do it and it work. So you can do sub for sub. Go on your Instagram or any social media, follow other YouTubers where you know say are YouTubers, DM them and say, yo, if you subscribe to me subscribe back to you. Take a screenshot. Me have a chat foolish. Take a screenshot. What the fuck? Take a screenshot and show me, and we do the same. But when we have people who go subscribe to, take the screenshot and then show no, and then unsubscribe, no. Just do that, say yo, subscribe to me, subscribe back to you. We could grow together and things like that. That we work, me I telling you. Tip number 3, guys. Me just fly through it real quick, because I don't want to keep up on the time. I know just come if I say I want to get 100 to 1,000 subscribers. I'm going to tell you real quick. So, tip number 3 is wow. Tip number 3 is comment positive. Leave positive comments on other YouTubers' video, guys. Meaning, watch the video and leave a positive comment and stuff like that. 9 out of 10 chances when people say you leave positive comment, them automatically are gonna say, whoa, you know me like that person. Okay, you hardly find them something. You hardly find people that leave positive comment on people things other than them subscriber. Leave a positive comment and people automatically go check out your comment and click on your profile picture to see if you have a YouTube page, and them are going to subscribe to, because them are going, you know, them are going to like the vibes we give off, guys. See, I have know them look, you know, them look style if it's sliding at people comments and stuff like that. So leave a positive comment on the YouTuber's video. People will subscribe to you. I tell you. Tip number 4, guys. Have a channel layout. You have to have a good visual profile picture. People have to recognize, say, yo, are you? You understand? What me normally do, the same profile picture I have for my YouTube, I have that on my Instagram or something. So, you know, you're more easier for fans. Since lately I change it, but you're more easier for fans. So have a good profile picture where people can see a good, recognize, say, you, picture no blur right now, and have a good banner. All of them something they count. Because what people normally do, if them look at your profile, them are going to decide right there if they want to subscribe to you or not. So if you have a good profile picture and a good nice banner, you will get a subscriber right there. So let me have something with me experience, may I tell you. Ever since I upgrade my banner, like me do my own banners and something like that. Ever since I make new banners and have a nice picture where people can recognize say me, you're going to gain subscribers. So you cannot have no old picture we have on your Facebook from 1971 and then you come in at 2020 or whenever you watch a video here, come put that same picture there. That don't look good. It just don't. I'm telling you, it just don't look good. You have to upgrade your stuff. You have to give people a reason to subscribe to you. You have to. So, with that being said, tip number 5. Organize your channel. Have the same type of font, the same type of color, and everything for your thumbnail. If you look at my videos, them you see I have the same type of font. And if me do a change a font color or font size or everything, me do it like in a series. So for my next set of videos, I'm gonna have the same color thumbnail, the same font, the same size, same everything, guys. If you look at other YouTubers, I saw it be. You cannot have 10 different colors for each different video and them something that just not look good, that not attractive. So you have to know how to set your thing and get your people them to subscribe. The next tip is you have to make interesting, funny video and relatable videos. You can't come on YouTube and be boring, this and that and tired and lazy. Nobody ain't gonna want to watch you. You have to be funny, relatable, and interested. You have to be smart about what you put on YouTube, guys. I mean, no say table turn. I know if me post one video, say I post one 15-minute video, depend. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Like, subscribe. Nobody ain't gonna subscribe. First of all, if I next year you depend this, them are gonna unsubscribe. If then they subscribe already, are them not gonna subscribe none at all. You have to run, come on, you know, energetic and all them something. They say, yo, I go and subscribe to my YouTube channel and all this. But now say you have to be who you're not. Okay, you have to be true to yourself. Because if you lie to yourself and you lie to your subscriber, it's all gonna come out one day. But at the same time, guys, you can't come on YouTube and be down and no. Be funny, be relatable, be entertaining, just be happy. If one day come and you don't feel good, don't make a video because it's a go show. Don't make a video, okay? But just I give on the little tips and little tricks. Tip number 7. Oh no, those stress quarters think I see it. Tip number 7. Tip number 7. Tip number 7. Oh my god, I'm so freaking retarded. But I don't care. Bitch, you did just move. Tip number 7, guys. Have a set date. So your subscriber then can know when and when you're going to post. So if you just start out, the more frequent you be, the more consistent you be, it's easier for you. So if you're going to post, say you're going to post 3 times for the week. Have a set 3 times for the week. So people can know, say, yo, you're going to post Wednesday, you're going to post Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Or Monday, Wednesday, Saturday. You know, just so people know, say, alright, you know, say your name Kim or your name Ashley or whatever. So you know, say, oh, alright, Ashley I go post video today. Ashley post every Monday. Ashley post every Wednesday. Ashley post it. You have to have a, you know, you have to have something for your subscriber them look forward. I'm thirsty. Wait. get that natural water with. Wow. Where you laughing, Angel? I'm making my video, bro. Why you laughing? You done beard? Your beard good? But you find time to laugh. Sorry. Sorry, we still at time for. Yeah, guys, so what me do there? Oh, I have a set date so people can know when and when you're gonna post. And it's easier for you and it's better for you when your subscribers and your supporters or even your viewers know when and when you're gonna post, guys. So that's just 7 tips I could have come up with. I'm just write them down, guys. So if y'all enjoyed the video, don't forget to smash my subscribe button like I said before, guys. Please, not for uno watch me and not subscribe yet. Like, come on, bro. Subscribe to my channel, guys. We're on the road to 50,000 subscribers. That's our next goal. We're gonna just keep 30 and 40 and slap 50, and that's what we want to reach, guys. So make sure you just spam up my subscribe button all over. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna do that for me real quick, and tell me if you like them type of motivational video here, guys. I will do more of it for you. And yeah, to keep on off your drink. If you like them type of video here, guys, I got y'all. So leave your positive comment down below, and peace out.